This is my marking knife. I've been using it for a good while, but I have a couple issues with it. When I make dovetails, I really like these very thin pins where they're just one saw curve wide up top here. But this knife is too thick, so I can't actually get in there and mark the pin board. Now if I would make the pins first instead, I'm still limited by this knife because it's too wide if the pins are any shorter than this width. Secondly, I prefer to use this knife in a sort of pencil grip. When I made the handle, I didn't yet know how I was going to use it, and it turns out the handle is too clumsy and too top heavy to comfortably hold like this. So I think it's time to make a new marking knife. So yeah, there we have it. I think that turned out alright. The size is just right for a pencil grip. It has the center of gravity right between my fingertips, so it doesn't feel weird to control. And it's short enough that I could also grip it like this to put a bit more force into the cut if I ever need to. I decided to keep the patina on the front of the blade. The back is polished, of course, but on the front where it doesn't really matter, I think it adds some rather nice contrast. The blade is, of course, a bit softer than knives usually are. I don't have a way to harden it. I don't know if it could be hardened. I don't know if it has enough carbon content. It just means I have to sharpen it a bit more often, and I can live with that. I need the practice anyway. The dovetail shape of the blade inside the handle is the main thing that keeps the blade in place, is the idea. The epoxy I put in is intended more as a gap filler to prevent the blade from wiggling around and enlarging that space. Let's give it a go. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Thanks for watching.